Today we're replacing another under road culvert, and to get the pipe in the right place we've got to blast some rock, which is over the other side of the road there, so we'll go have a look. There we go, just these two bits of rock here. Just got to make them to more manageable sizes so they can be pulled out, and the new pipe can go in underneath. Okay, here we are out in the forest not far from Powelltown. It's going to do 4 little hole shot for a new culvert. Be brave, my little camera, I know you're very close. Pretty nice looking granite, that one, Joe. I reckon that's enough pieces to be able to get that out easily without wrecking the road.